Who is this young person here in the courtroom?
That's my son,
All right, how old are you?
17.
Why are people bringing children down here to see somebody who is in jail for drugs like this is somebody that people should be looking up to? Is he excused from class? Is he missing math? Is he missing science? And according to the police report, he's a gang member. Why are people just staring at me like I'm saying something that is unheard of? So you have your wife and your girlfriend.
My ex-wife, Your Honor.
And so recently you were with your wife.
Long story.
Oh, I know it's a long story. So you're cheating on your wife with your girlfriend or your girlfriend with your wife, and she's here for you. But okay, the court is going to sentence you.
This cocky defendant
walks into court, smiling at the judge like he thinks this is no big deal. What makes it even worse is he brought his 17-year-old son with him to court to sit there and watch him get sentenced. The confidence is insane, considering he is facing some serious prison time in a criminal case. Then, right in the middle of the hearing, the judge starts realizing there may be something else going on with this guy and his relationship status. And you could just feel the entire courtroom shift once Judge Boyd starts connecting the dots. And make sure to stick around till the end, because that is when Judge Boyd completely exposes this guy's whole act in front of everyone. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of a 17-year-old showing up to their father's prison sentence. Let's dive in.
Are you Mr. Cup?
Yes, I am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Probation, this is an application. Mr. Cup, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
By indictment, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 grams to 4 grams. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, off the record. Are you all in agreement with his receiving probation?
Yes.
Any objection to the court checking that box?
No.
Mr. Cup, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. State recommends community supervision. This will run concurrent with 2024 CC 738359. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. There be a top evaluation and 200 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence.
Pending exhibit and attachments.
No objection.
State you may be excused. After reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. All right, so what's happening with all of the other things that were found in the vehicle, the body armor and the gun?
The gun is part of the plea bargain, Judge, and we need to go down to County Court 11 after we're finished here as part of the plea.
All right, and also the body armor?
There's no problem.
Okay. All right, thank you. All right, so do you have any children?
I do.
What are their ages?
18, 17, 15, 12, 1.
And do you have contact with them?
I do.
Do they live with you?
Yes. My their grandparents right now.
All right, so that means that you're not taking care of them. It's the grandparents. Are they the paternal or maternal grandparents?
Mother or father?
Father.
Okay. So basically, you continue to have children and they're taking care of them. Is Child Protective Services involved in your life? Where's the mother of the children?
She's not in the picture.
She has a 1-year-old and she's not in the picture.
It's not the same.
All right. So that mother, where is she?
She's actually incarcerated.
All right. So the mother of the 1-year-old is in prison or in jail?
No, she's here.
All right. In jail.
No. She's not. Not the 1-year-old. I have 4 with one with the previous
Okay.
and 1 with my new spouse.
Oh, and so she's here today? Where? Oh, where's the 1-year-old?
She's with family.
All right. So basically, the mother is raising children. I never. Yeah. All right. So I never understand. And who is this young person here in the courtroom?
That's my son.
All right. How old are you?
17.
All right. What are you doing with your life? Are you in school or not in school? Graduate? What are you doing? All right. Why are people bringing children down here to see somebody who is in jail for drugs like this is somebody that people should be looking up to when he should be in school? Is school out? Is this an excuse day for him to come down and see this person be sentenced?
If you were ever getting sentenced in court, and I know most of you guys, watching follow the law and everything, but for the small percentage of people that do not, this is exactly what you don't do. Bringing your 17-year-old kid into court to watch you get sentenced to 6 years is just so insane to me. That alone tells me this guy is not thinking clearly at all. Like, I don't know if it's substances, ego, or just poor judgment from this guy, but something is seriously off here. I feel like most parents would do anything to keep their kids away from moments like this, but instead, he's just sitting there smiling, like this is some kind of performance to him. And I feel like Judge Boy is clearly picking up on that energy, and she does not like it at all. I feel like this is just not how someone who understands consequences behaves. It just takes a different kind of mindset to put your own kid in that position. Let me know in the comments if you think Judge Boyd is overreacting here, or if this is just as wild to you guys.
Is he excused from class? Is he missing math? Is he missing science? Is he missing English literature? Why is he here? Why would you bring your child down here to see him be sentenced for committing a crime that your son should not even be around because he's committed a crime, and according to the police report, he's a gang member? This is somebody that you think is the great person to put in your children's life. I don't understand that. He should be at school. He's missing class. Why are people just staring at me like I'm saying something that is unheard of? Do children not go to school anymore? He's getting behind because he's here in court to watch this person get sentenced. And he should be at school studying. What are his grades? Is he doing well in school? Is he doing any extracurricular activities? Did he tell his teacher that he was going to be out because he's here to watch him get sentenced? Is this his biological father? Yeah. So why is he in school? And you should have told him, don't come down here. You need to be in school. I don't understand that. And then what ends up happening? People drop out of school and then they come in, and you know what they come to court and tell me? Well, you know, my father's been to prison. My father did drugs. My father's a gang member. And all these mothers are out here holding these men up as paragons of society for their children to look up to, and then having children with them that are one. Knowing their history, I do not understand that. But he's too young to be in court. And if people want to visit him, I know they don't do person-to-person jail visits anymore. You can only do it on phone. That's where he needs to see him. And when you're out of custody, spend time with your children instead of just having them show up and want to be in their life when you're in court and you need them for sympathy. So he can step out of the courtroom. Thank you. So they have you listed as a gang member in here. What's this about?
For a small period of time, I was in a motorcycle club.
No, it says Bandito's gang member.
It's a club, Your Honor.
All right. When's the last time you had employment?
I'm self-employed.
Doing what?
I move mobile homes. I have a trucking company.
All right. And is that registered?
Yes, it's an LLC.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you, find you guilty, sentence you to 6 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 8 years, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. I'm going to want a gang evaluation done. So, when's the last time you used?
Your Honor, I don't use.
All right, so these drugs that were in the vehicle belong to somebody else?
Yes, they do.
The mother of your children?
Yes, they do.
All right, so, and that's the lady here, another one?
Oh, yeah. My wife.
Oh, so you have your wife and your girlfriend.
My ex-wife, Your Honor.
And so recently you were with your wife.
Long story.
Oh, I know it's a long story. So you're cheating on your wife with your girlfriend or your girlfriend with your wife, and she's here for you. But okay.
This dude is so lucky that question did not come up earlier in the hearing. If it had, I feel like things could have gone a lot differently for him. I mean, first the kid being in the courtroom and now the whole situation with his ex-wife while he is currently married. It's just a whole weird thing. And it's just the way he's smiling when the judge asks about it. It just really gets me for some reason. Like, that is not the reaction of someone who has nothing to hide. And I'm not saying anything for sure, but it definitely looks bad here. It's like he doesn't realize how serious this all sounds out loud. Let me know in the comments what you guys really think was going on there, because I just find this whole situation extremely strange.
What's your wife's name?
Jaslyn Pettis.
Jasmine Pettis?
Jaslyn.
There's to be no contact with Jaslyn Pettis.
Sorry.
Yes.
That's his current,
Oh, that's the current girlfriend.
correct.
Who is
The
your
former
wife?
girl is,
Or is she just your girlfriend?
Jessie Solis.
Is that just your girlfriend, or did you all get
That's my
married?
wife. We got married.
All right, so no contact with the wife, Jessie Solis, that he is still currently in a relationship with. That's why it's in her car with her drugs. So tell the girlfriend he's still in a relationship with her. And, you know, that shakes out the way it shakes out. Either she's the number one girlfriend or not. That's what he's doing. So no contact with Jessie Solis, no unsupervised contact with minors, UA hotline, field visits 1 time per month until further notice, 200 hours of community service restitution. The court is going to order parenting classes. Once the parenting classes are complete, community service hours will be deemed satisfied. TAP evaluation, in custody, follow results. Is there anything else, probation? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
I did, Your Honor.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. And also, this will run concurrent with 2024 CC 738359. All right, we can go off the record. Let me just tell you something. Probation is very difficult. And if you are going to have a wife and a girlfriend and you're secretly still in a relationship with both of them, your probation is going to get very difficult, even more difficult. You know why? Because if something goes on in your household where there's an argument, you're cheating, and you're not letting them know, you know what's going to end up happening? They're going to call your probation officer, and you're going to be reported for whatever issues are going on in your household. So you're going to have to make a decision so your children are not confused. Either you're going to be with your wife or either you're going to be with the new girlfriend. For some reason, the new girlfriend decided to hang her moon and her stars on you. So you're going to have to be a better person. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
In order to be successful in this court, communication is key. Let probation know if you have any issues. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court. You understand?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
So, yep.
Good luck to you. So, yep, this guy is looking at 8 years of probation with a wife, a girlfriend, and whatever else he has going on. I mean, personally, I just don't see him surviving probation like that. Bringing your own kid into court to watch you get sentenced already shows a lack of judgment. And then you add in this relationship situation and the way he carried himself in front of the judge, and it just doesn't look good. And like I said, I'm not trying to accuse this dude of anything, but the optics here are absolutely terrible. In a lot of cases, probation sounds easier than time served, but for somebody like this, I'm honestly not sure, because if he messes up, he's looking at 6 years, plus more potentially. Yeah, guys, let me know in the comments if you think probation was the right call here, or if prison time would have made more sense. Thank you so much for watching, guys.